How to change your voice pitch in CapCut. So if you want to change your voice pitch in your CapCut, then what you need to do is first open up your CapCut application. Once you're here on the CapCut, go for the edit, which is on the bottom left. Once you're here on the edit, you can simply tap on any one of your projects, or you can simply go for the new project and add a project to your CapCut. So once you've opened your project and once you're here on the project, you need to simply select the project and then you can extract the audio. So simply select the project or the video, and so once you've selected the video, now you need to simply remove the video from the audio. So you need to simply remove the audio from your video. So you need to simply select the video and then swipe right, and here you may have extract audio option. So tap on extract audio, and once you've extracted the audio, now what you need to do is simply select the audio, and under the audio you will have audio effects on the bottom. Tap on the audio effects, and here you can simply choose the voice effect or voice filter. So you can simply choose deep, high, low or something, and once you've chosen, here you will have the filters option. Tap on the filters, and from here you can change the pitch. So you can simply choose the pitch lower or higher than your original audio. So that's how you can change the voice pitch in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.